Right, so here we go. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the moon. The moon that I took with my own camera out in the backyard on a really windy day and with lots of cloud over it. So it was in and out, in, out, in, out, trying to get these photos and a bit of video. Now, the moon isn't the kind of normal photography I do. I've done some other stuff. Not including them because I never stand still long enough to actually get a photo taken. But I like doing landscape and woodland photographs, and I like doing portrait photographs as well. So this was a bit of a lash up to the telescope to try and get a camera on board and a lens, basically, which wasn't easy. As you can see here, it's attached to the side, and there you go, there's the moon over there. Now, as I say, it was a very windy day. You can see the tops of the trees here moving if you look enough, but it's also got cloud rolling in, so the atmosphere makes for changes in the resolution. It looks like it's fading, or sometimes it looks like it's lighter and darker as the cloud rolls through from the light on the moon. But here's the images I managed to capture. I did manage to capture some higher magnification ones, but again, due to the atmospheric interference, it was a bit, just doesn't look very good. Actually, it looks like it's out of focus because of the atmosphere. But anyway, this is what's recorded on video via the telescope, the camera stuck into the side of it, and some really simple facts about the moon. Now, first of all, it's got craters on it. Craters are caused by asteroids, not by me. I had nothing to do with those. The moon is about 250,000 miles away. It's got a strange orbit, so it goes in and out, but roughly it's about 250,000 miles away. And I think the circumference of the Earth is about 26,000. So if you add that up, it's about 10 times the circumference of the Earth to get to the moon and back. If you want to do the the moon. To get to the moon, it's really cold. Like, space is like minus 270 degrees C, so you'll have to wrap up warm if you're going there, because that'll really be biting, that one, and your snood ain't gonna do it, as I well know, in the winter. But you can see the clouds here. That's not me steaming, that's the actual clouds rolling in front of the moon here, and you can see it disappear. It was actually lighter than this, but again, due to the magnification I'm using on this, it knocks a lot of the light out that the telescope captures. So you get these kind of huge swings, basically the amount of illumination that hits the mirror. But you can see it quite clearly. I'm surprised at how clear it was, and my efforts in playing around with the telescope for the last 2 or 3 days to actually get the camera mounted on it seems to have paid off. I did manage to capture some photos of Jupiter and some of its moons, but it's so far away, I haven't got any clarity for it. I'm going to wait for some nice nights, basically, where I've got a clearer sky, and see if I can get some photographs of that, and possibly, actually the video wouldn't be very good, but the photographs should be. I have had good photographs of it before. Unfortunately, living in West Wickham, it's the sky over here, whilst better than central London where I used to live, is still not fantastic. I'd love to visit a site where it's got a dark sky and no light pollution, to be honest, just to see the proper sky and maybe the Milky Way as well. But anyway, hope you enjoy it, and remember, I didn't cause those craters. Thanks, bye.